Ka sorkar jala kalarai ban shna yak Addict Treatment Facility ATF ha Umsawli ka bahab hapo New Shillong Township na kabenta ban a jing sumare ki bangop ha drong khlem da don kam kanu kanu ka jinglut jingsam ya kan ka raila shim ha ka jingalang jong ka drug reduction elimination and action mission DREAM bala penya da umentri katanat social welfare uba polling do ha ka shipho trek yayong ha kani ka jingalang lawan ya shimbentaru da ka Director General of Police DGP kong idashisha nongrang Mission Director ka DREAM ba Francis G Karshiying SP ka Anti-Narcotic Task Force ANTF DHS Medical Superintendent ka Shillong Civil Hospital na lor kiway. Habakren shakilat pathay kubor uba pol uloong baka jingdon jo kinong di drog balara na kisurok bat kiway pat kibenta jong kanong ba kimdon satya kinu kidu kijaka ban ajing sumar ban penkhut ya udrog bat panyo ya kajinga slok kenang ban penyo kinikilat jingarap na kabenta kini kibangop ha udrog kani kajingalang kalarai bangin penya shakmat kumbang ilaya kren ha kajingalang bakaddu jong ka DREAM project na kabenta ban penkhaya ka ka baki khon ka Addict Treatment Facility ATF ulaong ru ha ka ATF gindan ya ki psychiatrist ki blasha hikai pentabin kijing thia bat jaka sa gindan ya kinong ya selok na kabenta ki badi drong ka jingmut hi kalong basisian bangila pendap ya jing sumar ban penkhut ya udrong bat ban ya selok kinlong ki balabit ban ya ringkat hapo ka lang ka salang.
The focal point of the meeting was to ensure that the number of drug addicts that are picked up from the streets and from various parts of the city now do not have any facility for immediate treatment, detoxification, and counseling. So, in order to facilitate those facilities to these addicts, today's meeting resolved that we would push forward, as was discussed in the last meeting of the Dream Project, for the creation of what is called the ATF, Addict Treatment Facility. In this ATF, we will have trained psychiatrists, we will have beds and accommodation facility, and also we will have counseling for the addicts. The idea being that once we complete with their treatment, both detoxification and counseling, they should be fit to join mainstream society. So, a major decision that was taken today was that we will create this facility at Umsawli, where there already was a COVID center which has all the wherewithal, and we just need to supplement whatever is lacking in that center. Manpower we will be providing, and in the next 2 days, a team to be led by the mission director of the Dream Mission will visit this facility at Umsawli in order to study the preparedness at the ground level, and they will report back to me once that is completed. But the decision that has been taken in principle is to go forward for the setting up of this ATF. So that is what I'd like to share with you at this point of time. Well, the number of these addicts, as I have explained in the last briefing, has come down. But then it's still a major challenge because you have all age groups, and especially preteen, teenagers, and even adults who are regularly engaged in either taking drugs or involved in sale of narcotics. We already have funds available with Dream Mission and also funds that are made available to us through the Ministry of Social Justice. And that apart, there are also components from the health department to supplement our efforts. So, in terms of funding, there is no shortage at all. In terms of manpower, we have identified that currently we have about 5 trained psychiatrists who have just passed out and therefore whose service could be immediately utilized in the center. Also, our Dream mission director has had an interaction with the government of Kerala, and there are a number of trained psychiatrists and counselors who are also willing to partner with us. Uh, we will go in a phased manner, but in the first phase, it should be somewhere between 50 to 70 lakh rupees.
Bapul, these are the prefab structures in Umsawli, or you going to go for a new?
No, we already have those facilities at Umsawli. I don't know. I've not seen them. They could be prepared.